welcome back to Rookie Hanjubu. So today's food is Korean style clam pancake and seasoned clam. The main ingredients are shellfish and Chinese chive. I use the kakao. In case you don't have it, any type of shellfish will be fine. First, we have to get the mud out of the clam. We'll wash off with salted water at least 3 times. There is also a useful tip on how to get the mud out on live shellfish. So next, we'll boil the clam and get the flesh out. If only few clams open the shell, it's okay. It means all the clams are ready. And we'll mix the clams with the chopped chive along with the wheat flour and pan fry to make a Korean style pancake. And also we'll make a sauces for the seasoned clam. And you cannot miss the drink. The dishes will be great pairing with the makgeolli, a rice wine. There will be many useful cooking tips in this video, and let's get it started. I hope you enjoy this food with your family and friends. And see you next time. 먹자!